Okay guys, let me go through this with you. So I have to get these two downs. And first time I was here with the customers, I thought that, oh, this is going to be easy. Just fell it from the ground. But now when I'm here again, I can see there's some power cables and a phone cable. So I could fell this way, but I'm also nervous that all the branches on this side is going to hit the ground, and then it's going to do a weird thing that is just like rolling, turning in and breaking that. So, and then we also have these masterpieces art from old trees, I think. And yeah, so that's also a problem. I cannot fill it this way. And there's also other trees that would be damaged if I filled it this way. And there's also an art thing with faces there. So if that wasn't there, I could easily fill these two this way. There's only a fireplace and a smaller tree. Tuya. I'm not sure what it's called. Is it also called Tuya in English? I need to check that out. Yeah, and then there's the last one I'm going to climb also. And they wanted to get rid of one big branch that's like, it's kind of a top piece there, or how do you call it, a branch that wanted to take over and do a new top. So in the beginning they wanted it to get rid of it all, but it's such a beautiful tree. So, but let's see. I'm a little bit nervous that it's going to be so empty. So I have to go that through and see how it's going to look. And also the lowest branches is also going to get cut down. Maybe it will be fine. But I'm gonna look at that when I'm done with these twos. So this is how it looks. Looks weird, but I think it will be fine now when all the other small branches take that space.